How to fix login error on SoundCloud app. This error usually happens due to network issues, account setting problems, and incorrect credentials. First of all, you need to change your IP address. You can easily try switching to different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data. You can also use a VPN if needed. Now you need to try logging into your account. If that doesn't work, you need to simply clear cache and data of SoundCloud. Long press the SoundCloud app and then go to App Info, tapping on I button. Now select Storage Users and tap Clear Cache. Now you need to restart the application and then try logging into the SoundCloud application. If this didn't work, you need to double check your username and password and try logging into your account. And those are the top fixes for the SoundCloud login error. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.